Hello lovely people, big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all well watching this today. FYI, Cooper is in the room, he is in the vicinity and will probably be in and out of the video as we go. But if you're a subscriber, you'll know that is nothing far from the ordinary. If you are new, then hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ellie. I have two boys, one of them is 5, one of them is 1, the one who's here right now. And I make YouTube videos. And I have an Instagram page and I talk about all things being a mum, but also a lot about home, cleaning, organising. I'm a bit of a neat freak and I like to share that with you. So yeah, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do that before you go. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my favourite travelling with kids hacks. So we have just got back from our first holiday in like 3 years, which is the same for everyone at the moment, obviously because of COVID, but we have just been travelling with our 2 boys. And it made me really think about what my favourite sort of tips and hacks are for travelling with young kids. Some of them I've already shared on my Instagram, but I'm going to share a few more in-depth ones on here. Oh, here comes the cavalry. We've got the dog, we've got the baby. He's gonna shake the tripod any second now. Oh, he's not, it's a miracle. So let's get into it, shall we, before he knocks over the camera. So my first top tip for traveling with young kids, this is one that I was going to do and that actually my mum, hi mum, my mum told me about this one and I was going to do it, but we couldn't because, well, I'll explain why in a second. This tip is if you are sleeping in a room with a young baby and the chances are your hotel room, apartment will not have a blackout blind like you probably do at home. And we all know kids sleep so much better when it's black. So one trick, really cheap and really easy way to get around this is by using tin foil. So I was intending to do this, my mum had got the tin foil ready and everything, but then we got there and the windows in our particular bedroom were ginormous. They were like French doors leading onto a balcony, so there's no way in hell I was going to tin foil up those every night. But obviously if you just have a normal sized window in your bedroom, get some tin foil, cover the windows with tin foil, it will completely black out the room and your baby will hopefully sleep longer. Then you can just take down the tin foil and reuse it the next night. No packing massive sort of blackout blinds in your suitcase or anything. It's just really simple, cheap and effective. Okay, my next one, and I've shared this one on my Instagram, is this nifty phone holder. So as you can see, it's got a really long bendy neck. And what you do, don't touch the tripod. He knows, he knows, he's so cheeky. What you do, so this is perfect for, again, if you are out for a meal or something and your little one is getting tetchy, but you just want to sit there and enjoy your glass of sangria, this is perfect for you. So clip one end onto the back of the buggy, bend it over, and then the other side is perfect for holding your phone. Then you can have their favourite show on your phone. I don't know what it is. He loves In the Night Garden, for example. Pop In the Night Garden on your phone. He's safe and snug in his buggy watching his favourite programme and you can finish your glass of sangria. Perfect. Super cheap as well. This comes around with us quite often. Obviously it was particularly handy on holiday, but we have used it on other occasions as well. It's really handy. Ooh, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. I was just talking about you and how much you love Ickle Pickle. He is a real grumposaurus today. Poor little man is getting a back tooth. If you have babies, you will know that back teeth are not fun. And he's just not himself today. Very, very sad baby. Who's also just refused his afternoon nap, which is why he's here joining me for the filming. So yeah, this is a real handy little gadget to just keep in your bag when you're on holiday because you never know when you're gonna need this. Again, I have linked it in the description box below. It is in my Amazon store, so yeah, take a look. Okay, my next one is one that I did years ago with my eldest son, Leo. Didn't do it this year with Cooper because, long story short, Cooper hates the beach. And when I say hates the beach, he hates it with a vengeance, literally to the point where when he noticed we were on the beach, he would kick off. We go back again in a couple of months and I'm kind of hoping he's gonna be over it by then. And I might try this little hack with him again when we go back because I really want him to start enjoying the beach. But I will show you my eldest son Leo doing this years ago. So this hack is for little ones on the beach, as I said, to make a little safe paddling pool for them to play in. So all you need to do this is a super cheap shower curtain. Then you need to dig a hole. So dig a hole as deep as you would like your paddling pool to be. Line the hole with the shower curtain. Put sand, you know, back round corners of it so the shower curtain is secure. And this shower curtain will line the hole so that you can fill it with water. Then you just put a little bit of water inside and you've got yourself a paddling pool for your little one. Like I said, I am going to try this when we go back in a couple of months with Cooper, because it's just a perfect way for a toddler to keep cool, play in the water, and yeah, be safe, and you can watch them at all times. But they do kind of need to like the beach. And he's not quite there yet, but... Okay, my next one, I have shared these a couple of times on my Instagram now because I am just obsessed, is these wet wipe pouches. So what you do is you get your pack of wet wipes, you pop them inside, obviously open up the pack of wet wipes first, and it is completely sealed tight. So watertight, but most importantly, sand proof. This means you will not get any sand inside of your wet wipes when you are on the beach. As I mentioned before, babies are not a massive fan of sand or the beach. So one place you really want to make sure you're not getting sand is wet wipes. No one wants to have their bum wiped with a sandy wet wipe. So if you put them in this little pouch and seal it tight, no sand is getting in, and you can just clip it open, take out your wet wipe and clip it back shut. These are so cheap. They came in like a pack of 3 or 4 for like £6 on Amazon. Again, they are linked in my store. I use them all over my house, handbag, everywhere, but they were particularly handy on our recent holiday. Okay, my next tip is to download shows onto your devices. I remember to do this like the day before we went, and thank God I remembered. So if you've got an iPad, do it on there. If you've got a phone, do it on there, especially because of what I was just telling you about your handy little phone clip. You will need shows on your phone. So if you have the Netflix app on your phone, there is an option when you go on the TV show. So for example, Little Baby Bum or Iggle Piggle, whatever it might be. BBC app has this as well because I downloaded about 20 episodes of Iggle Piggle. Sorry, he was grabbing the tripod again. I'll literally show you here. So if you go on Netflix or the BBC app, and you can just click on go to downloads, and they are all on there. And the reason this is important is 2 reasons. One, on the airplane, you will not have Wi-Fi, so your little ones will not be able to watch shows like they normally would on your phone or on their iPad. They will only be able to watch things that are pre-downloaded. 2, obviously things have changed since Brexit. Your data usage abroad is not what it was. So if you're out in a restaurant and they don't have Wi-Fi, you are not going to be wanting to stream YouTube on your phone. Like, your data will go. So if you have stuff downloaded, it means they can watch things when they need to. And yeah, no one's touching your data. What, baby? I'm going to go get him a snack. Hold on. Nice. Snacks are life, aren't they, Goopy? Okay, my last 2 now before he gets bored. My next one, again, this is one that I used years ago with my eldest, and actually didn't really need to use it with this one here because he detests the beach so much. If your little one gets covered in sticky sand, that sand that you just cannot get off them, for some reason, don't ask me why, but talcum powder will get it off like that. So they can have really sticky sandy feet, put some talcum powder on it, and it will literally fall off. Well worth packing a bit of baby talc in your beach bag, trust me. We didn't need that with you though, did you? Because you wouldn't go anywhere near the sand. Okay, my last tip is to take a power bank with you wherever you go. Again, I feel like I'm talking about devices loads, like I swear my kids do not watch devices 24 hours a day, but I'm just being real with you here. There are times in life when it is very, very handy for them to have a smart device. I'm just being honest. No, they don't watch it 24/7 before someone, you know, says something like that in the comments. But yeah, I'm being honest, it is handy to have it sometimes, isn't it? So for this reason as well, make sure you have a power bank in your bag with you. Like this one here. Again, I will link it in my Amazon store, but it just means if any of your devices run out of battery, you can just pop the power bank into it, and charge it up, so you're never left without. Also, we really should be doing that anyway. You know, imagine if you were out and there was an emergency and you have no phone battery. It's just not really safe, especially when you've got kids. So always best to keep a power bank in your bag. Yeah, I'm going to finish the video there before he starts kicking off. Go and do some playing with your toys. Yeah, should we go and cause havoc, make a mess with your toys before Big Brother comes home from school? Guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video about my tips and tricks for traveling with kids. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Like I said, I'd love it if you decided to stick around, getting really close to 20,000 subscribers now, which is so exciting. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. You say bye. Bye. Yay, good boy.